Hello guys! O, say hello ka. Hello! So, ito try namin tong nagtitrending na bell pepper and cream cheese and this one. The cheesy crackers. Spicy and cheese. Oh, wait lang. We're gonna put it inside the bell pepper. So, the first thing we're going to do is to put the cream cheese inside the bell pepper. Let's try guys, kasi I'm not fan.
Hi, it's Mama.
Hindi ako fan ng cream cheese, but dahil sa trending siya and curious kami kung alam niyo yun, kung masarap ba talaga siya. We're gonna try it.
Let's go attack.
Say hi vlog.
Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog.
Yan. So, madami na. So, kailangan daw kasi maraming...
Smell.
Wait.
Smells good.
And we're gonna put the cheesy crackers inside. Let's try. I'm not really sure kung magugustuhan ba namin to. But, dahil nga sa trending siya, we have to try this. Siyempre, yung curiosity natin.
Cheesy.
Para matapos na ang ating mga tanong kung ba talaga ay masarap. Pag hindi ito masarap, wala, di masarap. Let's try guys!
Yeah.
Wait lang. Papakita nga na natin siya eh. Ayan yung loob niya guys. Punong-puno siya ng cream cheese and ng cheesy crackers. I think we have to put more pa ng cheesy cracker.
Tulungan kita.
Okay na yan.
Tulungan kita.
Mama will try it first ha. Then Kuya Franco and then Bella. Okay?
Okay.
Oh, kain mo yan.
I go.
Let's try.
Let's go for the dog.
Wait. Wait lang. Doon ka, di makikita yung...
Wow! Anong lasa? You didn't eat! Huh?
Siguro may ba kasi tayo ng panlasa. But for me, nothing special, pero masarap naman siya. Wala, try it. Go, you can do it. You can do it.
Manghang.
No, it's not. Hindi mo mga bell pepper eh. Go, kagat. How does it taste? Pasado or bagsak? Hindi niya pasado. Dinuwa niya. Dinuwa niya. But for me, nothing special, pero hindi siya ganun kasarap, hindi rin siya ganun hindi kasarap. So, okay lang. Mura lang naman yung bell pepper. At least hindi na kami curious, di ba?